Welcome to eMedia. In this tutorial, we will explore eMedia hubs. Before you begin, be sure that you have logged in to eMedia using your MyUEN credentials. This will give you access to all eMedia resources and tools. If you need help logging in, or if you need any eMedia support, you can send a help request by clicking on the support button found on the side of each page. eMedia hubs are a great way to find resources, collections, groups, and more, all related to a specific focus or initiative. Resources and information found in hubs are curated by UEN media specialists and educational content providers. You can access eMedia hubs by clicking on Hubs in the eMedia site navigation. Some of our newest or more popular hubs are listed as featured hubs. You can view a list of all eMedia hubs by clicking on See All Hubs. When you click on a specific hub, like the Utah's Online Library Hub, you will see that hub resources are organized on a page. The page usually starts with a title and description that explains the focus or purpose of the hub. Below that, you will see tabs that help you navigate to various sections of the page. Hubs can include information, tutorials, and links to resources. Hubs can also contain eMedia collections and groups that relate to the hub's focus. Let's take a look at another example of a hub. The Science with Engineering Education, or SEED hub, contains many eMedia collections. Resources have been organized by grade level and by provider. These collections are accompanied by eMedia groups and training videos, all created to support Utah's science educators in implementing their state standards. For more information, tutorials, and highlights, visit the Utah's Online Library product page at uen.org/UOL, or visit the Getting Started with eMedia hub. If you have additional questions, feel free to send an email to eMedia@uen.org.